Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English Snacks. I'm Amber. Today, we're talking money phrasal verbs, saving it, spending it, and everything in between. Shadow the sentences as we go. Part 1, Saving and Managing. Let's start with the responsible side of money. When you save money gradually over time, usually for something specific, we say save up. Shadow this. I'm saving up for a new laptop. That little word up gives it a sense of building or growing bit by bit. If you need to reduce your spending, be more careful with your money, we say cut back on something. Try shadowing. We're cutting back on takeaway coffee this month. This is very common in budgeting conversations. And when you finally pay the debt completely, clear what you owe, we say pay off. Shadow this. It took years, but we finally paid off the house. Part 2, Spending and Splurging. Now, the less responsible, but let's be honest, more fun side. When you spend money freely, often on something a bit extravagant, we say splash out. Shadow this. We splashed out on a fancy dinner for our anniversary. There's such enjoyment in this phrase. It's your treat. It's not a mistake. Don't feel guilty. If you spend all your money quickly, often carelessly, we say you blow it, usually as blow through your money. Try shadowing. I blew through my whole paycheck in one weekend. It sounds quite critical, a bit of a confession. And when unexpected costs suddenly appear, we say they crop up. Shadow this. New expenses keep cropping up this month. This one's useful for describing surprise costs like car repairs or medical bills, that sort of thing. Part 3, Earning and Getting By. When you earn money, especially through regular work, we say bring in. Shadow this. Her new job brings in a lot more money than the old one. If you're managing on very little money, just about surviving financially, we say get by. Try shadowing. We're getting by on one salary right now. It's an honest phrase. There's no shame in it. It's describing a tight but somehow manageable situation. And finally, when you're calculating whether you have enough money for something, we say you work out your finances. You heard me use work out before for relationships, but here it means calculating or figuring something out. Shadow this. I need to work out if we can afford the trip. So there's today's set. Save up, cut back on, pay off, splash out, blow through, crop up, bring in, get by, and work out. Money vocabulary you can genuinely use, whether you're budgeting or just describing your weekend to an English-speaking friend. That's it for today's snack. The worksheet's in the show notes for you. I'm looking forward to sharing more with you next time. So as always, come hungry for knowledge.